Paying your Scotiabank credit card bill can be done through several convenient methods. Online banking. Log in. Access your Scotiabank online banking account using your username and password. Navigate to payments. Look for the payments or pay bills option in the main menu. Select your credit card. Choose your Scotiabank credit card as the payee. Enter payment details. Input the payment amount you wish to make and select the account from which you want to make the payment. Review and confirm. Double check the payment details for accuracy. Confirm the payment to initiate the transaction. Verification. You may need to verify the transaction with a one-time password sent to your registered mobile phone or email. Automatic payments. Set up automatic payments. You can arrange for your credit card bill to be paid automatically from your Scotiabank account on the due date each month. Contact Scotiabank customer service or set up automatic payments through online banking. Branch or ATM. Visit a branch or ATM. You can pay your credit card bill in person at any Scotiabank branch or ATM using your debit card. Phone banking. Call customer service. Contact Scotiabank customer service and make a payment over the phone using your debit card or provide instructions to set up a payment from your bank account.